1 to 600, 1 provisional waiver, and timing.
Greetings, I'm lawyer Edwin Fogam. I have been practicing immigration and other areas of the law in the United States for the past 28 years. Today, let us look at the 601A Provisional Waiver and why time is of the essence in utilizing this petition, this particular waiver. The I-601A, the form I-601A Provisional Waiver, is a waiver that is granted to beneficiaries of permanent residents and U.S. citizens who have approved petitions but cannot adjust their status in the United States because they either entered without inspection or they are otherwise here unlawfully and cannot show inspected and admitted. Now, these waivers can be filed by the applicant and travel abroad. It is usually a consular processing issue because the beneficiary has to actually travel abroad. After the petition has been approved here, after the waiver has been approved here, they can travel and then re-enter the United States with a valid visa. This can be very helpful because otherwise the beneficiary will have no other means of adjusting. If they leave the United States, they will not be able to come back. And if they stay in the United States, they will not be able to adjust their status. So what is required to file is, first of all, there has to be a bona fide relationship, a good faith relationship. The U.S. citizen and the beneficiary who is either a child, spouse, or parent, or permanent resident. That is U.S. citizen or permanent resident petitioner. And secondly, the beneficiary has to be a person of good moral character. And thirdly, which is the most important, it has to be established that if the beneficiary is not granted that waiver, the petitioner will experience extreme hardship. So this extreme hardship has to be demonstrated. Why is time very important? It is becoming very, very, very challenging because the processing time for the I-601A Provisional Waiver is about 18 months and sometimes longer. So if it is not filed in a timely manner, what will happen is, including the consular processing time, including the time when the beneficiary has to travel abroad, this can become really, really prohibitive. So it is important to plan accordingly and know that time is really, really of the essence in filing this petition. I hope this information was helpful to you. And if you have any further questions or you need us to assist you, please do not hesitate. Call us on 301-608-1555 or you send us an email to info@fogamlaw.com. And always remember not to fear the system, to understand it, work with it, and benefit from it. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and leave us a review in the comments.